infrared. Type of wave used in GPS technology. Microwave is correct. Bravo. Which property remains constant for all electromagnetic waves in a vacuum? Wrong.
Frequency.
Constant meaning it's not change. It's the speed. They are move with the speed of light. Diba? So it is constant. From radio waves to gamma rays, they all move with the speed of light. So this time is letter C. Letter C. Which wave is used